Hey there.
I guess it did install itself overnight.
Won't you look at that? It just kind of... We just came back out here and we got a 1UZ Ranger. Isn't that right, bud?
Elves really did do it themselves.
So, you may be wondering to yourself, wow, that was really fast. You didn't show us any of how you got there. Don't worry. This is everything that has happened until this moment. Ribbon blackout. Gotcha. Got it.
People are going to be looking at this thing. I've had it driving around for about a month with no hood on it.
It's not raining.
Just around here.
It ain't raining. Close your eyes.
Bull breaker.
Yep.
I think I found your problem.
What's the problem?
I ain't got no gas in it.
Fucking testicles. Oh, my jimmies.
You got one.
Oh, come on in. Okay. Down with it. Alright, let me get up so I can... My legs are too big. Come on with it. A little more. Alright. Yep. Uh-huh. Alright. Do you want me down here or lighting up motor mounts?
Down there.
Yep. You got it. Come on. Ah, okay, hang on. Reposition the hands. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oh, cramp in my back. Cramp in my back. Oh, I'm old. Oh, that one hurts. Oh, sorry. What do I need to do?
Yeah, just...
Oh, okay. I'm alright.
Sure.
Uh-huh.
Most people say that aren't really okay, P.
Mentally, no, but you know. Uh-huh. Alright. I got it down here. Let her down. Yep. Alright, give it a little shaky shake up there.
You know, I put a little bit of pressure on it. No, it's binding up on this one over here. It's not completely straight. This one I said was going to be fun probably.
Oh, I see.
Might need to go that way.
You know what you can do?
Got the handle right here and lift it up and get the handle down on it.
Yeah, that'll do it too. Bend it over. Okay. I think it did anything, but
It moved a bunch. Your side's trying to set down. Oh, there we go.
okay, it was just canted. You in?
Nope.
So there we go.
It fell down on the bed and might wind up. That or jack up on the back of the trim.
Check up some more. Alright, going up. Watch it.
Drag up. Alright, let down.
It's like all the way down.
Got a long way to go. Oh man, we can tighten the nut down on it in the middle.
Force it down. Okay. Alright, here we go. You ready?
A little bit of pressure on.
I mean, that works.
Oh no. Well,
That side's not cinched down.
we're gonna have to shim that side too.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Yeah,
Leaned over a little bit?
It's twisted like that. Eventually we'll have better mounting time.
No, this is
Forever?
forever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it needs shimmed, but it's not that bad.
This one.
Four wheels, not six.
Alright, let's bounce the front and see if I can get this settled.
Suspension travel, move!
Yeah, the wheels weren't that the way they're supposed to be.
I hope so. So this has been quite the process.
It's been half successful today.
This isn't even the engine we pulled out of the junkyard today.
No,
It's sitting over there.
it wasn't fit with all the new shit on it. We got mounts made. They're not right.
Technically,
But they'll work.
it's sitting in the bay right now.
Bolted down. It is bolted down.
It's a 4-degree different. Like, it needs to lift up the driver's side 4 degrees on the engine, which we'll shim it up later. But this is a 1UZ Ranger, man. This is progress. Duke is getting there. If you enjoyed this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you enjoyed. Let us know what you think we could have done better, because I know that you guys always know better than I do. So, until then,
Like, comment, subscribe. And we might do more stupid shit like this.
we've been Shade Tree Hot Rods. We'll see you later.